Remedies for cough. We are going to look at the herbal and natural remedies for cough. Let's first of all look at what is a cough. Cough is a natural reflex that protects your lungs. Coughing helps clear your airways of lung irritants such as smoke and mucus. This can help to prevent other infections. A cough can sometimes be a symptom of a medical problem. So we say cough is a natural reflex that protects your lungs. Coughing helps clear your airways of lung irritants such as smoke and mucus. This can help to prevent other infections. A cough can sometimes be a symptom of a medical problem. Let's look at the side effects of coughing. Side effects of coughing. 1. Chest pain. Chest pain is one of the side effects of coughing. Exhaustion. Exhaustion is also one of the side effects of coughing. Others include light headaches, lack of bladder control. Lack of bladder control is also another side effect of coughing. Coughing can also interfere with sleep. When you sleep with a cough, you don't enjoy the sleep. Socialization. Coughing can sometimes also interfere with the way you socialize with your friends and family. Coughing also interferes negatively when you are at workplace. So coughing interferes at workplaces. Now let's get to the treatment. How do you treat cough naturally and herbally? Step 1. Get 20 pieces of bitter kola. Get 20 pieces of bitter kola. Step 2. Cut them into pieces and then grind them. Cut them into pieces and then grind them. Step 3. Natural remedies for health with 1 liter of pure honey.
Hello.
Mix the grounded bitter kola with 1 liter of pure honey. Yes. Now let's look at the dosage. For adults, take 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Take 2 tablespoons 3 times daily. Your cough will be cured. Please, if you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe. Please press the like button